Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. 6.32-inch screen, 7500 mAh battery, IP69K protection, and a 100 watts power supply included. New unboxing photos of the compact flagship OnePlus 15T have been published. New preliminary news data shows unboxing and live photos of the new little monster from OnePlus. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Although the OnePlus 15T's release date hasn't been announced yet, Chinese website eathome has already published an unboxing photo of the new device. The device is shown in an all-white finish, and even the frame is white. The screen diagonal of the new OnePlus 15T is 6.32 inches. The case width is only 71.7 millimeters, and it weighs 194 grams, with a 50 by 50 weight distribution. The manufacturer paid special attention to the tactile feel and case materials. The back panel is made of smooth fiberglass, which resists fingerprints. The smartphone's metal frame is treated with a micro-arc oxidation process, resulting in a matte texture reminiscent of fine sand. The left edge of the case retains the signature multi-function switch, which supports up to 8 customizable actions. The screen's bezel width is 1.1 millimeters. The new OnePlus 15T features a 1.5K resolution and a refresh rate of 165 Hz. The rear camera cluster has been compacted, making the smartphone more comfortable to hold horizontally while gaming. The OnePlus 15T comes with a 100-watt Super VOOC power adapter, a classic red and white cable, a smiley face paperclip and a silicone case. According to preliminary data, the new OnePlus 15T will receive a 6.32-inch AMOLED screen, a 7500 mAh battery, maximum protection against water and dust, in accordance with the IP69K rating, an improved periscope camera, and a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. It is expected that the new OnePlus 15T will officially launch later this month. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.